So today I would like to speak about the why online payment method is good for us. So first of all, I would say that online payment method is fast and it helps a lot in the shopping as well. As you can say that if we are doing online shopping, so first of all it will give us cashback as well as, and if you do shopping regular, so it will give us coupons as well. As with the help of those coupons you can get more discount. So and second thing, like in lockdown, online payment method was very helpful. Like we were not allowed to go outside, so at that time we were sending money because of the online payment method. And if I talk about the hacking, so it's the totally fault of people, why they are giving their personal information to the other people. So everyone has this much knowledge that they don't have to give them personal, they don't have to share their personal information. And if I talk about the fraud, fraud is happening everywhere. Even in the, if you are living in Mustafabad, we can see there is stealings. A lot of thieves are stealing things from us.
65% people choose cash on delivery. Why? Because they don't have trust in online shopping platforms.
So why they don't have trust? Because they are used
Because
to,
there is this much fraud. That's why they don't have trust.
sister, work is going on the cybercrime. In the 2025, a lot of cases is decreasing because of the because government is working on the cybercrime. And in 2021, a lot of cases were related to fraud. But in 2025, there is not that much case in earlier. And if I
Are you sure? Listen,
sure.
according to digital payment fraud statistics, in 2024, the fraud data was about 2.9 to 3.6%. But now in 2025,
What
the
about
data,
offline?
listen, the data is about 83%. Okay, so with the help of this data, you can see that fraud is increasing day by day. So how can you say that in 2025 there is no fraud? There is fraud, and fraud is increasing day by day.
So if we don't use online payment, so how we will make our India digital? If we don't use online payment, so our India will not become digital. We will use offline payment method, so it will take a lot of time. Like our government uses online payment method to transfer money from India to other country. Why they are using online payment method?